Good news everyone. I know that some people will not take what I am about to say as good news, and I am a bit confused that bit honestly, but the odds of the 2024 YR4 asteroid impacting Earth on December 22, 2032 have essentially dropped to zero. I say essentially as the actual odds are 2024 YR4 update currently 1 in 59,000, meaning that a large airburst, ocean impact, or formation of brand new meteor crater like impact crater almost certainly won't happen. However, there is now an increased risk that the same asteroid could strike something else and release a fairly sizable amount of energy, specifically our Moon. The odds of this occurring on the same date, meaning you could potentially look up in the sky to see a bright flash of light brighter than our Moon briefly occur between 3:17 and 3:21 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time on the side visible from Earth is now about 1%. If such an impact were to occur, we have narrowed down the regions where a brand new 1.3 to 1.8 km or 0.81 to 1.12 mile wide impact crater could form to a 3,300 km stretch of our Moon. So, why did the odds of an asteroid impact changed so much during the last 2 months for this 55-meter wide asteroid which was large enough to potentially devastate a major city? The reason why these odds have vastly changed is due to the fact that as new observations were made of 2024 YR4, the more we were able to narrow down its parameters and thus likely future orbital path. Upon its initial discovery, its possible location on December 22, 2032 2.2 possible trajectories million kilometers wide. This then decreased to 1 million km, then 500,000 km, then 300,000. These narrowed pathways happened to initially remove the edges of the possible spectrum, causing an increase in the chance of 2024 YR4 impacting Earth, which rose from 1% to 3.1%. Then, more detailed observations were made once again, causing the possible path 2024 YR4 could take to become further reduced to around 30,000 kilometers, essentially excluding it from impacting Earth, but at the same time giving it a narrow window where it could impact the Moon. As further observations are made, the odds are that the odds of a Moon impact in 2032 will similarly be ruled out, especially due to the 99 out of 100 chance that no relevant impact will occur. I do want to note that 3 other possible impact dates for 2024 YR4 are listed on near-Earth objects the NASA website once during 2039 and twice during 2047, but the odds of any one of these 3 becoming reality are approximately 1 in 98,500. I want to note that I was personally surprised that we were able to detect this asteroid in the first place. Scientists have been cataloging and tracking near-Earth objects, and the larger an object is, the easier it is to spot and track. This is why of all potential near-Earth object asteroids, we've already spotted and tracked 100% of all objects 10 or more kilometers wide, 95% of 1 or more kilometer wide asteroids, but less than 1% of 50 to 100 meter wide asteroids. 50 to 100 meter wide asteroids are thought to rate of similar impact strike our planet about once every 1,000 years, primarily resulting in large-scale airbursts such as 1908's form are quickly eroded away or eventually removed from easy visibility across relatively brief geologic timescales. As a final note, I would like to thank my new YouTube channel member Mr. Gold Ember for supporting my work. English